is it?
Whoa. Oh, what? Oh my God, wait until you see what we're making.
We're busy building the experiences. That's why our fundraising video is not quite up to Oscar standards. But thanks for watching.
See you soon. Hi, I'm Sharon DeMattia, artist and scientist.
Hi, I'm Thomas Kohler, producer and curator. Together, we have launched the Empathy CoOp. Today, we are launching the fundraising campaign.
Empathy CoOp connects people in the face of COVID, and we invite everyone to participate to create the world's largest empathy project.
The world's largest empathy project is a free participatory art installation you can experience in both downtown Reno, Nevada.
We're also launching online in the Burning Man Multiverse. This will all happen from August 30th to September 6th of 2020.
Recent research uncovered that chronic loneliness kills. In fact, social isolation and loneliness could be a greater threat to public health than obesity. There is so much data out there that clearly shows people feel alone, isolated, and they are yearning for meaning and for community. You can find all the links to the research we mentioned in our press release.
In response to this, the Empathy CoOp art experience consists of 3 interactive elements using curiosity, art, and play as tools to foster empathy. This approach delivers high-impact, meaningful connections, activates people to participate in collaborative communities that drive positive change. This is a brand new way to engage with art, and we believe our project will truly make this world a better place.
How so?
We tested this interactive engagement with over 6,000 people from all over the globe. The results have been astonishing. It truly works.
We also partnered with a variety of local and global community organizations. They're on site in Reno and of course online. Remember, happiness is closely linked to emotional intelligence, to giving back, and meaningful social connections.
Well, we're all about that, and that's why we are launching our interactive art installation as a social impact art project. And after our launch on August 30th, we will take our project around the world. Various organizations like the Reno City Arts Commission, the Downtown Reno Partnership, and the Economic Development Agency of Western Nevada have already endorsed the Empathy CoOp.
Tell me again, where will we launch the world's largest empathy project?
The Empathy CoOp will be located in the Civic Plaza downtown Reno from August 30th to September 6th of 2020. Simultaneously, same time, the Empathy CoOp will launch in the Burning Man Multiverse, which is also free and where everybody is welcome. Please help us reach our goal of $25,000 and then stretch and help us reach our goal of $50,000, because then this allows us to pay the collaborating artists and to launch our outreach program until the end of the year. All of your donations are tax deductible. To make a donation, just click on the link in the description or the donate button at the end of this video. We have already built a large part of this art installation, and our volunteer coders and designers are currently creating amazing online experiences. For more resources and information on how to get involved or contribute, go to empathycoop.com.
Thank you so much for your support. We're looking forward to seeing you there.